What's up, EasyBandits fam? Today we're kicking things off with a fresh tutorial on how to use our long sleeve mockup. Whether you're just starting out or already in the game, I'm going to show you how to get your designs looking clean and pro in no time. So let's jump right in and make your designs pop, easy style. Let's start it. Alright, so now we've got the PSD file open and you can see the default template for our design. Let's check out the layers panel. See the folder labeled edit here? That's where we're going to make the magic happen. First, let's change the color. Double click on the color layer. And let's try blue. Hit Ctrl+S to save and check it out. Cool, right? Now let's try red, maybe a bit darker this time. Now, hit Ctrl+S again and you'll see our shirt is red. So now you know how to change the mockup color. Alright, let's jump into our project. For this sample, I'm going with white for my shirt design. Ctrl+S, and now the mockup is white. Okay, you can close the color file now. We still have the template design in place, but we can't see it right now because it's the same color as the t-shirt. No worries, we'll fix that next. Let's open up the front layer. Click on your work file and drag it into the smart object layer. This one's huge, so let's resize it. If you look at the layers panel, there's one labeled remove this. You can either click the eye icon or just delete the layer. Now Ctrl+S and let's see how it looks. Still too big. Let's adjust it one more time. I want to keep it positioned at the top. Ctrl+S. And now that's perfect. Okay, now let's close the front layer and move on to the left sleeve. Same as before. Drag your art into the smart object we're working on. Adjust it to fit. You can delete or just shut down the eye icon. Let's try delete now. And let's see. Looks a little small, so let's resize it again. Perfect. Next up, the right sleeve. We can close the left smart object layer now. Alright, now let's move on to the right sleeve. Same process, drag it in, adjust it, and don't forget to remove the template design. And they're done. Now let's tackle the back. Open the smart object, turn off the layer visibility, then drag your design in, adjust it a little. I think that's already in a good spot. Now we can close the smart object and hit yes to save. Let's check out the back design. Close the edit here folder, turn off the front folder, and activate the back folder, and you're all set. Let's see how that looks. Here's the front, and here's the back. Okay, let's do another one. Now we'll try using a PNG file for this mockup. We'll start fresh. First, open the front smart object, drag in your PNG image, remove the template design, close the smart object, and boom. For this design, I don't need the back to show, so we'll skip that part. Now let's move to the left sleeve. Open the smart object, toggle visibility, and drag in your design. Adjust it to fit, then hit Ctrl+S. And now we've got it on the sleeve. I might tweak it a little to make it better. So you can either hit Ctrl+S again or close the file if you're sure it's in the right spot. Now, it's perfect. Let's do the same for the right sleeve. Open the smart object, toggle visibility, drag in your design, adjust it to fit, and hit Ctrl+S. And now the mockup is complete. Quick tip for changing colors. If you're tired of hitting Ctrl+S every time to check the results, you can open the red folder, either for the front or the back. Because I work only front, let's open the front folder now. Inside, you'll see a subfolder called Color. Click on Color Change and go to the adjustment layer to add a solid color. Now you can change the color of the mockup and see it live. Watch how the color works on the shirt in real time. For now, let's try the gray color because I want to show you something, and hit OK. Okay, now you'll also see another subfolder below color called Try Blend Color. You can activate it to give the mockup a different material texture. Let's click on it. Let's take a closer look. To really see the difference in texture, let's zoom in and check out those details. You'll notice how the fabric changes. This will give you a better idea of how the mockup will look in real life. This is with Try Blend and this is without Try Blend Color. You can try it yourself now for the front or back of the mockup. Now let's turn it back to black. See the background folder here? We can customize that too. Let's try changing the color. You can choose whatever color you want for the background. Now let's try another option. You'll see a layer called construction paper. Let's activate it and see how it makes the background look more realistic. Here's the background with the construction paper activated, and here it is without. Now let's turn the background back to black. Hit the OK button and that's done. Alright, that's it. I hope you now understand how to use my mockup. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in another tutorial.